Hello friends, welcome and namaskar. My name is Surinder and I am an Excel enthusiast and teacher with many years of experience helping people master the incredible powerful tool. No matter whether you are a beginner looking to understand the basics or an advanced using aiming to optimize your workflow. I am here to guide you every step of this Excel tool in that way. Many people think that Excel is a spreadsheet program to store the data or to uh, do some manipulation in that. But no, Excel is very much vast of that. Excel is more than just a spreadsheet program. It is a tool that can transform the ways of your working, analyzing data, representing your information, etc. My aim is to make learning Excel fun, engaging, and practical. I tailor my lessons to meet your specific needs and help you apply what we learn to real world scenarios. Okay, in this free Excel course you will learn everything from basic functions and formulas to advanced techniques of Excel as like pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, macros, etc. I will also share tips and tricks to boost your productivity and efficiency in Excel. So join me on this exciting journey to unlock the full potential of Excel. Whether you are looking to enhance your career, improving your data analysis skill, or simply get more organized, I'm here to help you achieve your goals. Now onwards, on regular basis, I will post some videos on Excel too. Those will describe detailed features. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned to my channel. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome and namaskar. Myself Surendra. Welcome to the first chapter of our Excel course. In this chapter, we will cover the general concept of Excel, including how to open an Excel file, understanding different file extensions, getting familiar with the user interface, and exploring the menu option. Let's get started, right? So, firstly, we will open Excel. For opening an Excel, we can do by double clicking on Excel icon or on your desktop or by searching for Excel in your start menu like this. Excel. Fine. So when you will click on Excel, system will open a welcome screen where on left panel you can see your recent Excel files which you have recently opened, and on left side you can open a new Excel file, and in Excel and left hand side you can also browse any other file. If it is not coming in your recent file, then you can open other workbook, and here when you click on open other workbook, system will open a browser option where you can find, you can navigate to any file location from your system, and on by double clicking on an Excel file you can open that Excel. For now, we will click on black window to opening a new Excel file, right? So here it is, a new Excel file is opened. Great. Now we have our new workbook open. So before we dive into working with data or other Excel features, it is important to understand the different file extensions used in Excel. The most common ones you will encounter are as follows. Like first one is .xls. This is an oldest file format used in Excel 97 2003. It has some limitations compared to .xls. After emerging new version of Excel with advanced features, it is changed as .xlsx, right? xlsx. This is latest and default file format for Excel workbooks. It is a compressed file that supports all Excel features. Another one is .csv. CSV stands for comma separated values, right? Okay. It is a plain text file that stores tabular data. It is also useful for data exchange between different programs. Earlier, if a software developer wants to read data then they used to prefer .csv file only because it is easy to read. Fine. Another one is .xlsm. This format is used for workbooks that contains macros, which are automated script written in VBA. VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications. We will learn macros in detail in upcoming lecture. Okay, so these are common file extensions used in different Excel files. Fine. Now that we know about the different file extensions, let's get familiar with the Excel user interface. So Excel user interface, what is being shown in this Excel, right? So at the top we have the ribbon, which contains, this one is ribbon, so which contains tabs like home, insert, page layout, formulas, right, data, review, view, etc. Each tab is divided into different group of commands related to that particular group. Like in home, we can see cut, copy for formula or fonts related. In insert, we are able to see different areas of inserting the data, right? So like this, different commands are grouped in different tabs. We will go into deep dive one by one and cover everything. Please keep watching this channel for the same. Okay. So below the ribbon, we will see formula bar. This one is called as formula bar, and where you can enter and edit data or formula. To the left of the formula bar is the name box, which displays the cell reference or the name of the selected cell or rank. Like right now it is showing B2. B2 is selected cell is B2, right? If I move my cursor to any other cell, then you can see that uh, name box will also change the reference. Okay, got it? Hmm. The main area of the workbook, which is made up to rows and columns. These are called rows and these are columns. F, G, right. Rows are divided or referred with numbers, and columns are labeled with letters. In earlier Excel, in this new Excel, we can say like Excel has give us a flexibility of adding records of like 10 lakh records we can add. So we can store a huge data in this Excel file. At the same, we can see columns are also added like XFT. So you can show like 26 multiplied by a number. So we can store a huge data in this Excel file. Fine. Okay. At the bottom, you will see the Sheets tab. So it is called as Sheet tab. And in this sheet tab, by default, first sheet will be shown and named as Sheet 1. We can add multiple sheets as and when required by us as per our data requirement by clicking on this plus button. We can also change or rename our sheet name like test sheet 1, and we can add sheets as per our requirement, right? Okay. So and here we can see navigation cursor available. Hmm. So this is for up and down, and this is for left to right or right to left. Fine. Okay. So let's take a quick look of file menu. So for file menu, we will click on this file button, and it will show menu of file where we can create a new file. Hmm. We can open an existing file by choosing recent workbook or through navigate or browse through other locations of computer. uh, we can save our existing file, we can print our file, or we can move into settings for define different settings. These settings are also vast and we need to learn everything about these settings as well. Those we will cover in our next sessions, right? That's it for introduction to Excel. In the next chapter, we will start working with data and exploring some of Excel's powerful features. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.